Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm about to tell you something that will absolutely blow your mind. Yes, think about it. What if you woke up tomorrow morning, picked up your phone, and thought, wait a minute, this looks like a freaking spaceship? Well, my friends, that's exactly the kind of energy we're diving into today. We're talking about a device that's going to make your current smartphone look like a dusty old relic from the Stone Age. I'm talking about the Sony Xperia Pro 2. This isn't just a phone, this is a technological marvel, a piece of engineering so insane it'll make you question the very limits of mobile tech. Remember when we first saw a camera on a phone and thought, wow, this is the peak of innovation? Yeah, we were so naive. Today, we're talking about something that leaves that ancient revolution in the dust. The Xperia Pro 2, a phone so powerful that it's reportedly given the CEOs of major tech companies sleepless nights because just the rumor of its arrival has thrown their multi-million-dollar plans into complete chaos. So, if you're a tech enthusiast, if you love geeking out over the next big thing, do not scroll away. Watch this until the very end, because this phone will twist your brain into a pretzel. Design. Alright, let's kick things off with the design. The moment you lay eyes on this phone, you'll feel like you're holding a piece of art from a sci-fi movie set in 3025. Sony has blended glass and metal in such a jaw-dropping way that holding it feels more like gripping the steering wheel of a luxury hypercar than a smartphone. In the front, pure, uninterrupted screen. No bezels, no borders, just an infinite display that curves so seamlessly into the edges, you won't even know where the screen ends and the phone begins. When you're watching a movie, you'll literally forget you're holding a phone. It'll feel like the scene is just floating in the air right in front of you. But my friends, the real magic is hidden on the back. Sony has done something to the rear panel that you won't believe until you see it. On one side, you have that silky smooth glass back that feels like perfection in your hand, and on the other side, boom. A camera module that protrudes out like a full-on DSLR lens. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't a phone with a camera. This is a professional-grade camera that just happens to make phone calls. And the craziest part, you can physically rotate the lens, just like you're adjusting focus on a high-end camera. What is this, Sony? This is pure insanity, this is innovation on steroids. Now picture this, you're at a wedding, and some guy is flexing his brand new, overpriced iPhone, bragging about the EMIs he's paying. He's clicking away, feeling like a pro. Then, you casually pull out this beast, the Sony Xperia Pro 2, from your pocket. The look on his face. Priceless. He'll be like, bro, is that a camera or a phone? And you, with the smuggest grin, will say, my guy, it's both. And it's from the future. Congratulations, you're the star of the party now. Yes, this phone will have a bit of weight to it. But that's because it's made from a magnesium alloy frame, lightweight yet tough as nails. Drop this phone, and the phone will be fine. The floor, however, might need a doctor. We're talking professional-grade durability. This is quality you can feel. DSLR killer camera. Now, let's talk about the soul of this device, the heart and lungs of the beast, the camera. Sony decided to go with just one single camera on the back. But don't you dare think it's lacking. Because that one lens is so ridiculously powerful, it makes any quad camera setup look like toys. Because, as we all know, quality beats quantity. The Sony Xperia Pro 2 packs a monstrous 500 megapixel 1-inch type sensor. Now, I know what you're thinking, we've seen 200 megapixel phones already. But listen closely, the sensor size is the game changer. Those 200 megapixel sensors are tiny, like a small saucer. The sensor in the Xperia Pro 2, it's the size of a full dinner plate. We're talking a sensor nearly 10 times bigger than those on regular phones. Imagine how much light that captures, how much detail it retains. It's mind-blowing. At night, in pitch-black darkness where you can't even see your hand in front of your face, this camera will snap a photo that looks like it was taken in broad daylight. Zero noise, zero graininess, just pure, clean, professional quality imagery. Now ask yourself, why would you need 3 or 4 cameras when this one lens can do everything: wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, macro? This single camera uses AI to simulate different focal lengths, and the best part? There's zero loss in quality. Because with 500 megapixels, you have so much data that you can crop the photo to your heart's content, and it will still be razor sharp. No matter how far you zoom, it stays crisp. Speaking of zoom, 100x zoom. So last decade, this phone rocks a 150x hybrid zoom, a perfect mix of optical and digital magic. Picture this. You're standing at the base of a mountain, and you see a tiny bird sitting on a peak far, far away. You zoom in with this beast, and you will literally see the individual flecks in the bird's eyes. That's not a camera, that's a telescope. And for all you videographers out there, listen up. 8K video, that's old news now. The Sony Xperia Pro 2 records in 12K video. Yes, 12K. The quality is so insane that you can pause the video and extract a 25 megapixel still photo from it. A gorgeous picture, from a video. And yes, that single lens will give you that creamy, DSLR-like bokeh effect because the massive 1-inch sensor naturally creates depth of field. No software gimmicks, just authentic, gorgeous blur just like your expensive mirrorless camera. Display. All those jaw-dropping photos need a screen that does them justice. The Sony Xperia Pro 2 features a massive 6.92-inch 4K HDR OLED display with 1 billion colors. We're talking 12-bit color depth, over 68 billion shades of color. I'm not sure even the rainbow has that many shades. And with a 144Hz refresh rate, you place your finger on the screen and it glides like you're ice skating on a fresh frozen lake. Whether you're gaming or scrolling, everything is butter smooth. And get this, 4,500 nits of peak brightness. Say goodbye to squinting in the sun. You could be sitting under the scorching desert sun, watching Netflix, and everything would be crystal clear. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass armor, if you drop this phone, the screen won't crack, but the ground might get scared. Performance. Processing such massive photos in 12K videos requires a rocket engine. And Sony delivered the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, built on a revolutionary 2nm architecture. We're talking insane power that handles AI tasks, camera processing, and heavy gaming without breaking a sweat. Paired with 24GB of LPDDR6 RAM, that's 24GB. Your old laptop probably has half that. And UFS 5.0 storage that reads and writes data at 5GB per second, meaning you can edit that 12K video in seconds. The secret weapon, its thermal management system. With all that raw power, things are bound to heat up. But Sony built a super phase change vapor chamber that works just like a liquid cooling system. It evaporates, condenses, and cools down on repeat, exactly how an AC works. Play PUBG or Genshin Impact on the highest graphics for hours, and your hands won't burn, frames won't drop, and the phone won't break a sweat. Battery life. Now, onto the battery, folks. Sony straight up slapped the heart of a T-Rex into this thing. We're talking a colossal 7500 mAh battery. Charge it once, and it runs for 2 full days, even with heavy usage. And with 120-watt hypercharge, you go from 0% to 100% in just 18 minutes. Wake up, see the battery is dead, take a quick shower, come back, and boom, it's fully charged. Plus, 50W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, your buddy's phone died. Just place it on the back of your Xperia Pro 2 and give it a new lease on life. Software. It runs on Android 17, absolutely stock, with zero bloatware, just as Google intended. But for the pros, Sony pre-installs their powerful apps, Photography Pro, Cinema Pro, Music Pro. Just open and start shooting like a Hollywood director. Price and availability. And now, the million-dollar question, will this phone ever touch planet Earth? My friends, this is an ultra-futuristic concept for now, Sony hasn't launched it yet. But if, and when, it does hit the market, the estimated price would be around $1,800 to $2,200. Some people will say it's expensive. But think about what you're getting. A flagship phone plus a full-frame DSLR plus a professional video recording device all in one. A Sony A7R series camera alone starts at over $3,000, and that's without a phone. Here, you get both in one package. That's a freakin' steal. According to insider reports, Sony is planning a limited edition release by December 2026 or early 2027. So, just a few months away, potentially. So, my friends, do you think a phone like this should actually exist? Would you drop $2,000 on a phone that makes DSLRs cry in a corner, and does it with just one single camera? And here's the funniest question. If you woke up tomorrow and this beast was sitting on your table, what's the first thing you'd take a picture of? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to read them.